Hey, good morning, everyone. Rahul Prajapati this side. Thanks for tuning into morning market brief. And let's start the analysis. So again, we'll go with SGX first. So a flat opening probably. So market is trading near 17,600. Yesterday we have seen that market open with a gap down and it slips toward 17,500, right? So यही level हमने देखा था, right? जो हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था कि 17,500 पे market is likely to give you a support. It took support at that level, right? Okay. Now, if we check the OI specifically, so after so long we got a short, but that short is not that effective. It's very small, but probably we are not getting longs from these levels, so that could be one of the area to think of. Now today's expiry for, if we see that on the immediate basis, 17,800, 17,800 would be a resistance for a market as of now. 17,500 still a good support for a market, right? Because we can't see any huge addition, so that is on 17,000. So no specific addition on any put side. So put में कहीं पर भी कुछ ज़्यादा addition हो नहीं रहा है. 17,600 में we have seen a good addition yesterday. So ये levels हो सकती हैं अभी market में upside में. तो 17,800 and 17,500 is the range that we can look for. बैंक निफ्टी के बारे में बात करें अगर, so broader range में जैसे हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया, 39,000 and 37,000 is the level we are looking for. But if we see that एक छोटा सा रेंज बना हुआ है यहाँ पर जहाँ से स्टॉक पिछले कुछ दिनों से ट्रेड कर रहा है बैंक निफ्टी, so that is 38,000 and 37,000. तो इस रेंज के अंदर मार्केट अभी स्टक हो रखा है. We need a breakout above these levels or below these, right? तो बैंक निफ्टी में OI levels काफी ड्रॉप हुआ है and we don't have any specific view from the OI. Now from the expiry perspective we see, so 38,000 on the higher side, 37,500 and 37,000 are the levels. So again this 500 points first and then this 1,000 points range we can see. Okay, now come back to the sector. So specifically only private banks showing a good build up, right? And media, IT and oil stocks are showing a short build up specifically. Going for a top gainer and losers. Okay. So Bandhan Bank yesterday we have seen moved up, PI Industries and M&M Finance. And then BSoft, Hindalco and Coal India are the top losers yesterday. So index contribution, IT losing, oil losing specifically, and then you can see metal, FMCG. The most of the sectors are contributing only on the negative side, and just only a private bank has the positive contribution yesterday. Okay, now today is the expiry also, so we can go and check the max pain and max pain levels for Bank Nifty. So 17,700 is the level that we are anticipating of max pain level of Bank Nifty. So likely to be closing somewhere near this level. If we check for Nifty, so 17,600 where we are looking for. Probably could be a bit bullish market we can see, but not above 17,600 at least, right? Okay. Fine. So if we check the results today, we can even go and check the result calendar. So 13th, we have Infosys result today. Okay. Fine. Now let's go and check for stocks. Okay. Okay. So first stock is DNFC. Reason. So if you see in GNFC, we are seeing mostly longs since like probably the start of March, right? We have only few shorts in this. Yesterday, we have seen again the stock is going up by taking support at 850. So GNFC looks bullish from here. So highest call option right now is at 900 rupees. So still we have a area for the stock to move up. Okay, and 850 would be a good support in this, and once the stock will move up. So above 860, if the stock again crosses, so we'll go and take that position, and 900 could be expected level on the higher side. 850 would be a good support in this, right? And GNFC, if we see, we can see the technical chart on the hourly basis. So this is where the stock took support yesterday. Okay. So even if you want to take a position, we can at least wait for this level to take it out, right? So 873, we'll talk about that. Okay. Mostly 873, right? Not the 860. 873 would be the level that we look for to break out, right? Okay. And 900 could be the expected level. Fine. So GNFC is good. And then we have second stock. So second stock is Hind Petro. So if we see the structure of Hind Petro is basically, it's on the negative side. It was short, and then we have a short covering, and then yesterday we again see a short in this. So if you see the technical chart here, this is where the stock is facing resistance, right? So you can see this was like earlier support. These are the levels where you can see this is the where the stock took resistance again, okay? And it again fell. So the structure is still look weak on the stock. So if the stock breaks yesterday's low, we can go again for a short position in this stock, right? Okay. And 300 would be a good resistance at this, right? And if we can check here, okay, so 300 would be working as a resistance anyhow. If the stock started breaking, the yesterday's low, we can go and look for a short position. We have seen 280 unwinding also. 280 put is also unwinding, so that's a good sign. So the stock looks weak as of now. Okay. If we go to the ban list, only one stock, that is RBL Bank trading in the ban list, right? Okay. Okay. For today, if we see the levels for Nifty, 17,800 probably the level on the higher side. That is the maximum we can anticipate today. Even we have seen a good addition on 17,600. Support will be on 17,500. That is a good level, right? For Bank Nifty, 37,500 is a good support. 38,000 is on the higher side. If market slips below 37,500, 37,000 working would be could be working as a good support, right? Long build up specifically we have seen on the private banks, media, IT, and oil showing a short build up. GNFC above 860 look positive. 840 would be good support. In Petro below 288, we can go and create a short position, and 300 is the resistance, right? So GNFC is a positive stock. In the Petro looks weak, okay. And in the ban list, we have only RBL Bank. Okay. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.